Meslo nyabotre na mimisa wo question we. Hwan mu e control Ghana? Is it politicians or the general public? Mamenka asem enchilo. Sisi ase okọ parliament ewo oman Ghana mu ha. You were the minority group and we have the majority group. But in the TN say, with this current NDC number of parliamentarians that they are having, they can do anything. Ewo mra kwan so e dey control parliament because ohwe number mukuta na omo edoso enti ye wasem say the minority will have their say by the majority will have their way. So mo ye bibimpo na se minority no omo enyi ntumu a e ba se ye nto aba e minority no e na belusu na majority no awene esan say omo e na omo doso. As ye hwe oman Ghana mu a ye political leaders ayewo and say parliamentarians and say politicians ayewo no eswa eye kituwa bi as compared to the general public. So the politicians are ruling this country and we the general public you don't have any say. Why is it so? Obibe can say ya tuaba e de yi omo say they should be our leaders enti whatever they are doing we have given them the power. Yes e no kresa but say you say ko na kogina ya na emu na ye enioma ye ho ebeto ye na adenti na wokodu ho a onye enioma ebebua the general public but oye enioma ebebua wo political party ana say wankasa wo individual politician. That is why I am telling you categorically, say it's not the general public in Ghana who rules the country, but only the few politicians. Say a few, and it to me a rule there, adding to na parliament and minority no into me have or more way through. Not always is the majority. Ghanaians, ye Dawson, saying politicians are or more Ghana mebuha. And so mu take a decision, be they don't take our decisions or our views into consideration. No more kasa or more dream, no more who say a bebuano and a more a simple seniparudo na etia. Let me bring this one on board. A drum levy now NPP per se or more implemented this policy that is e-levy, any betting tax and co. But general public no cancel when ye edia which rebel and unti entum edini see or more ye and I saw one ye. The son said they were having the numbers. Enti die obia ekan or more they went ahead and passed those bills. Sisi a menewaka say betting tax ewo ho, e-levy ewo ho, COVID tax ewo ho. But eno na general public na ye ho Ghana no na ye hwehwe. There be and so politicians kitua bi na wo parliament no any executive no omo etumi passe ye. Abra na nipa dodo na ye wo Ghana na yesu. Eno ntina me kire wo say that minority group called politicians, they are controlling this country, but not the general public. So I am going to share with you 5 reasons politicians, not the people, control Ghana. Yatuaba, edi political leaders. Say omo ye kind for. Na omo enye shishe papa. Omo entutu nyumo yi. Send ye beya. Yenso, ya humbeto ye, ewo man we mu. Nenso sani pa kuo kitwa no. Omo enye tumeno ewia, they are able to control and take everything that they need, but not what we want. Na de bia omo ena omo benefit. Eye say only politicians and the was omo control Ghana, and I say ye na yetuaba edi momo. Yenso yetumi echire ya adwen. Na ye chire ya adwen so a was say omo etie na omo this one. Let's go to the point 1 that I want you to know. And the point 1 I'm going to talk about is citizens vote, but politicians make selfish decisions. Timbamufono no ye na eto aba ediji omo. Se yanto aba enyi obi a ontumi nko parliament. Se okwakoye parliamentarian. Na wahemra edi ama oman Ghana. Enu nti se eto aba edi ma omo a ye pe obi a oye competent, ye pe obi a obone ho modern. Sen ye be ya omode nhihye pa ebegu akwan mu. But most of our politicians deceive us. They lie to us in order for us to vote for them. So we could do parliament and you was a year and the boy is son say one can okra answer yentino or more into me enye. Na the bia in someone sebe or mindful no enyin to and I say or more end principle and no ena or more a year. enti yetu aba edema omodie na enso omukodu parliament wa they make their own selfish decisions. Enu bi na me de ye example echile wono se time wana e-levy eba time wana COVID-19 tax eba Ghana fo bebre e kan say dia ho kire beba e de ne see politicians no they went ahead and passed all those bills e masisi abeye mra wa Ghana memu ha se wo send sky dia ma obi e wo fun so a ye betew obi etwa bet na owini a ye bete sika e de free ni sika na wonya ye no mu na enso so olusunsu dia no politician is going to give that person money. And yes, see what you say. And we vote for them, and they also make their own selfish decisions. That is what has been going on, and this will never help the country. And unti na magana sabe yintimi enko yenim na yebre. Ye to aba e de my politicians na so mu ko du parliament ye na ye to aba de mo no omuntie ye. There is no way they will listen to us. Even the first year, you won't see them. Second year, you won't see them. The only time you will see our politicians, a time where almost sign a buy and change, a baby pay, you vote to be. And no more asa. Today, it will be hard to say with me a sheer politician because I never some at the actually. Or because some politicians, and your papa, and I say, and your mom, and I can watch somebody that. Or move back campaign to an idea and some of my country. Boshak and said, or Moshi say, and my answering a GD, a woman. It is a see and ubisa any average Ghanaian beer only says or how not to me a truly politician and I said the MP anymore obey me anyamwa Eddie free nipano. It's sign of one cassa or monsemwa or moba campaigner or more country and ultimate some of the electorate and I say general public no it to sa and I say or more that kind of expectations no or more or monsem and a yijinaso and it to sa and in the politicians, we vote for them, but they also make their selfish decisions. That is point one. Let's move on by looking at point two. The point two that I'm talking about is politicians manipulate the system to stay in power. Say ubi eba say yentono so aba na say nyagidie ewo ne mu na say to aba no e de mana de yehwehwe ne say ne nsem na okaye ana say wo haw na ekoso wo man mu obehwe na wotumi asolve e de amaye na say wotumi esolve a winning the next election will never be a problem enunti say wo hwe a politician bi so oba no wa homo ne homodin a ede e no omoye they bend the rules and regulations that we have in this country in order for them to have their way through. So bo humodin sebe ubia owo ote oman mu bia no e de anigye be kwakoto aba e de ama abra onche nkura but one mo humodin they want to vote you out e ho e no mo so omudi sika corruption omunam kwambone so first oman sika bi edisie it do about obra then they spray those monies in the system. Ti obinsu asebe on bi o man ho kwakoto aba 10 cedis bi e de bemanunti na kwakoto aba e de masa politician no on peve se wa mo ne homode nti e beto aba no de atia no nti na wo diska e mankrofo e to omu votes no na me kan say ye na ye to aba de ma politicians no dum na bia ye so ye ka ho what they say and this is a way of manipulating the system to get them being voted. What you say, but say nanka ye ti o memu no ye hwe na ye hu say oh we dey o money homode we say ye do obi ye competent eba o diska ebla okula diska ro ba men to ba no emfa ma no but omo a ehu say mo ambo omo homode na se wo betumi alusu elections na kwanya omefa so ne say sika bi wo so omode ye project ema amanfo no e benefit no they don't do those kind of projects no omo diska no e dey sie baabi election year no edu so a then they go for those monies no omo aba be cha amaye 10 cedis, 20 cedis, yama wa 50 cedis, almost a sika. No was saying akoto about Eddie Amomu now 4 years. Na you so ebre. Where say do primaries, a year NPPO, a year NDCO. Na se wuni sika you are going to lose because microphone e to abano or more ebejisika. They are also part of the politicians. They will collect money before voting for you and to be a wuni sika or the bemono. What is going to happen? Enunti omonso esu kwa sa kwan no etue sika emu edu e de ma the delegates no mo many primaries enso ebia na omo ne homodin basika owo na odi be ma omonti then they also vote for him or her na da bia mprofo asabe omo homodin e na omunya kwan etumi edi enso e wo man gan na mu And instead of our politicians focusing on developmental projects, they don't do that, but they focus on the next election, how they are going to win it. And also actually Ghana for Adrian who say Ghana need say why more modern crump na say drew on us a yiska edition in same one over 2 amount. And we see the plan of how they are going to win the next election, but not any developmental project that will help you and I. They manipulate the system in order for them to have their way through. And when Tibia or more modern, not or more sika or more and obedience, Nanko for sebe or more adrimpa or minor honor, always they are being voted against. Your coso say Tima Mufua or my Ghana, a bit me fan into mapa, a friendly. Our politicians don't think about us in a minute. To coin your moi befaswa sebe or mobedi or mobusiano or monam for beko money, and no, and your money, most of them are not performing, but some of them are doing well. They are trying their best. Yet, mean cancer money na they see Debbie, and put this a mechanic man can ye, a bit more bomb money, but we be na and a sebe, or more elbow money, or modisika, and I said, Quam so a manipulative system, na or more is signed in it to me, is signed the quabem, let there be a or more mugabe. Better na baby sa and so na developmental project be a koso ma or more constituency no as an kawabo humodin na se wa wo hwa wo nyuma pa na waye no ese wo nyuma pa ebidu wachi na wa wo hwe na se waye nyuma pa adinti na nka wo besuro se wo berusu aba na enunti wo disika na eto amanfo adwen. So that is the second point. Politicians manipulate the system to stay in power. And the third point that I'm going to talk about is citizens protest, but politicians ignore them. Certain before no yehwe na se politicians no ye enuma bi na se enkoyi a ye be ye se ye be demonstrate and I say ye be call on strike. But ni nyina no se demonstrate and I say we embark on strike actions a omutie ye na there be omuntie ye. Some years back, time wana NPP ewa bayemu no. Nkrophobia sebi omwa retire no modo musika aye investment bi. NPP abayin edi brofo kese bi ba say haircut. Wa we investment awai ya wasa nka wudi so faso wo hwe nkrofo omwa retire omo retire muguso eye adwuma na omusika aba ne se sa tamu ye wasa nka metua ma mo no me nya sa sika no emfa ma mo intimidate ko anim. Na nipa no nso a wodi ne sika no epushi no forward saa no obedi no bodidi obedi no hwe na busunya what you say enti people because say former chief justice Sofia Akufu na okura praka demonstrating against his excellency the former president because of that decisions now we take here your teachers any other public services now they embark on strike actions but politicians it's your masemwana there be but omodia sebe ehia omono de se ba omokatua entumu ana se es gracia ana niuma bia bekwa ma omono de you will never hear him about it. All of them come together and they agree and approve it, but they be boati memufo no de na omo eyi omoni emfa omo whatever that he will do ope akwashipo omo ntie what you see it is sometimes the citizens protest but the politicians ignores them. And no, and a koso. Let's look at the fourth point. Political parties controls who becomes a leader. Media academy nim and say see a leader be a leader no o jinamu ediama nkrofo na omuwo constituency ho no. Enu nti se wo Accra na se we political leader be a untumi entwusu leader emfa ma constituency no. And say do maybe na so be e stand say yentu no so aba na onwini prime minister na onjina mu emma constituency na obehu nkrofobia sebe omo eye leaders omo party mu no na they are having their size omo support one candidate bi ebi mpa na enye ono na timamufo no epe but esan say omo ewo tuminti they maneuver their ways through na omo support say nipa no na omo ato aba eyi no e de ama nkrofo na omo ewo constituency ni mu no ena se yenya eyi say nipa no opeu ompeu ono na obedi party no anim was our constituency ho the hwe ebi esi wo Fomena political party leaders no supported one candidate be omode omose delegate no atoaba amano nti they are going to throw their support but omoka sanso a no because mra da ho say delegate no atoaba eyi obi a political party no ebe support no na se obi party mu na se yanto aba amano na so be ko independent a eno no yeyi no e free party no tie hwe a Fomena ebi esiye Andrews Asiama delegates no e kan se omo mpe no omo anto aba amfa ama no essence ka bia allegedly omo kwaji yenti omo to aba no editia no but mamufuo no e kan kire no se wo na ya hwehwe wo na wo yie mputuduma e wo ye mpasu aso ha inti ko as independent e beto aba no di ama okoye as independent e di ne see o we need it sometimes if our political leaders are imposing leaders on the citizens it's not the best. It was say more citizens na akwenya na omutimi eyi omo leaders but enyemu leaders na say be more Accra and I say mutiti baby no e na mo be impose leaders on the constituents, give them that power for them to choose the kind of person they are looking for. Na there be a delegate be say nipa 30 be nipa 50 no mo akoto aba no mo yi nipa baako say wonjira constituency nanim na nipa no so esan say omo endorse nti na leader na opese wo wini no na wadi sika kese e de akoma omo na omo so ato ama no na there be a sa ebi so na omo perform e wo constituency ho but esan say omo we sika nti there be a no mo akoto aba no na omo awini the goals so they are not able to perform. Is it what is happening in this country? I think the answer is no. So our politicians should change their mindset and think about the citizens of this country. Let's look at the final point. The final point is corrupt politicians use money to buy loyalty. Corrupt politicians use money to buy loyalty. Yanhwe se politician bi wo hokra na se constituency de mu na se o mo ne ho modin a enkrofo mo twa ne ho ahia no okọ Accra na se oba constituency ni mu a ansan obe free ho no na wa peka kakra bi na wadi ama leaders kitwa no mo twa ne ho ahia no edida bia o mo pena sem edi so bi kura e na dwen se obe contest se nipa na obe hu they will not give chance to that person because kakra bi ono so be nyadinti always they are supporting. Meanwhile, the person is not performing in the constituency. And when the general public no empeno, and so leaders no mocha a share hockey to where binunti. Sikana or the momono. Then they all throw their support for the person that they be a side pabakona and a all winning. And as a local constituency being so, especially local Central regional, most of the seats, ye EU say we a PC. Parliamentary candidate na the two swaba na say win nko ade a automatically you are going to win the elections sanso na woko voter regional etie enti kwanya mo befa so na nkrofo ketwa na motwa ahia omo ho no omo be brabo omo na omo timi anwene primaries no because we say 100% assured o mini primaries no pe we win election no to mo be twetwe sika na omo dia mankrofo ketwa na omo ben omo no. The delegates, the political party leaders in the constituency, they bribe them with money. No more to abandon their more. Then they win. When they get the power, they don't do anything in the constituency. No mobile so akitu be promises be on about 30% and no mobile 70% and 4 more. A election year be more. Then they come and repeat the same promises. Now so you don't have any way of keeping them accountable. Then we listen to them, we cheer them up, we clap for them. Then they go again. Year after year. That is why we are not seeing improvement. But if we, the electorate, keep our politicians on their toes every year, and politicians, they will not take us for granted. But essence sa akwanya no anyho omoba campaign na omoma okwanpo ma wo misa omo questions and as omuma kwanpo a nkrofo na bekasa no eyo omo party members and they are not going to say anything that will tarnish the image of the party. No bi so a onye party member na bia oye party sympathizer and na say Ghanaian no ye man okwanpo e man nkasa na da bia politicians no eba de omo pe no mo aka akire ye omo wia omukọ nso a asa What you say? Are we going to continue like this as a nation? Mesro, wow, you are also a Ghanaian. Utuaba, menso me tuaba. Se wuti misi samadwi. Na se menso miti mi esi samadwi ya. Eno ne bebua ama omaino afa ntomapa afra. Let us put the political lens aside and move our country Ghana forward. Eno ene bebua ye. But me ye party A, party B no de emwa ema Ghana in develop. Mamena wase se wa hwedwe ababedru awieye. Mesro yade bakumwi emame. Subscribe to this channel. O subscribe ya enje wo hwe. Enti fa wonsa emi an subscribe button na ewo ho no so. Sene be ya se me ye video bi a wonso ye be alert wo na botimi ahwe. Na ye nyina ya boa na ya toto adwen. Me am gina ha make say I am not perfect. I know say I am sharing my opinion. E kwanya ye nyina ye fa so a ye be boa na oman Ghana itumi atumpon. Enuti na ma me so camera asimi so a me yes ide we. Into one so all shemino, also what dear obetumi aye, and they say, would men some Americana, then a foot to be or no offer, nay, na I thought to a dream. Na ya boa amogan or my Ghana, a fan to mapa efra. Mamma was so was subscribe. Like a video, na comment, na share, ma afu fronso, no omo enyebi, and fear. Now coupon, we shall na onya wokese. Macrow, bye bye.